Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Do you know that the last 10 days of Ramadan are the most powerful days of the entire year for a Muslim? Many people fast the whole month, but only a few truly understand the treasure hidden in the final 10 nights. These are the nights when mercy pours down from Allah like rain, but only a few truly understand the treasure hidden in the final 10 nights. These are the nights when mercy pours down from Allah like rain. The Prophet Muhammad used to increase his worship more than at any other time. He prayed longer, he made more dua, and he woke his family so they would not miss these special nights. Why? Because within these nights is Laylatul Qadr, the night of power, a night that is better than 1,000 months. Imagine that, one single night of sincere prayer can reward you more than 83 years of worship. Destinies are written, and prayers are accepted. These last 10 days are a chance for a fresh start. Increase your prayer, give charity, read the Quran, and ask Allah for forgiveness from the depth of your heart. Because no one knows if we will see another Ramadan again. So don't let these final nights pass like ordinary nights. They might be the most important nights of your life. The Quran is a light that guides us through the darkness. Its words bring comfort and wisdom to the heart.